guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Anirudh. Firstly, let me take a moment and thank all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel and have given me constant support. Secondly, I want to apologize because I have not been able to upload anything. As you guys know, I have discussed in my previous video that I don't have any space to work on my car. That's why I'm not uploading anything past a month or so. I have a list of mods that I need to do, but I am helpless because I don't have the space to work on my car. Now let's talk about something that you clicked on the video for. Actually, past these weeks I had been planning something and I actually finally ordered it, and yesterday only I received it. I guess you guys are not ready for it, but let me show you. So here goes the most awaited and most requested mod on my car. If you guys didn't understand by now, so let me just show you. If you guys cannot tell, I have already opened this because I was way too excited. 3, 2, 1. As you can tell, I have bought lowered springs or lowering springs by Cobra Suspension. This is a company from Netherlands, and I've got these imported by AM Racing. I'll link his information in the description box. So let me talk about this first. So you guys must be thinking why I just went with a 30mm drop. So let me tell you, Indian roads are not anyways the best road to drive road cars, but I had 2 issues with the car, so I wanted to sort those out. So let me tell you what 2 issues I have in my car. First of all, aesthetics. The wheel gap is very huge. It can fit my hand straight just like this. I personally feel it's kind of ugly, so a 30mm drop will make it a bit shorter, around 2 inches maybe. And secondly, body roll, my biggest issue with the car. So my car has a ton of body roll, especially in the back. So with these stiffened springs and lowered spring, the center of gravity will get lower, and also these are better quality springs and a bit thicker, so they'll reduce the body roll drastically, and the car will be again a peach to drive. So I have more to discuss about these springs, but for now I'll stop because it might be getting boring. Actually, I am leaving just after this to get these installed, but I'll have to end this video right now, otherwise the video will get very long. So expect the installation video soon after this, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay savage.